KaptainKootie crew, and welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm still here. It's just been a hot minute. I was taking care of some personal life things, and as you can tell, I've changed my hair and my background is different, so you know, stuff's been going on. I've gone back to blonde. I was blonde for a long time. If you follow my channel, you know that. I was messing around with a bunch of colors. I tend to change my hair color about once a year, but since it's about to be a new year, we're going with a new color. So this one, I'm very interested to see how it turns out. If you clicked on this video, you already know what I'm trying, but we're gonna try silver. And for the color, I'm going with my tried and true brand of oVertone. This is Pastel Deep Conditioner, so we're going to see how we're gonna see how well the pastel shows up in my hair, and I'm hoping that it won't wash out too quick. Nina. Here's a close-up of the level of blonde that I'm working with. My top layers tend to be lighter than under here. It's also a little wet still. I did shower this morning, so that makes it look a little bit different. But for the most part, it's pretty light. And like I said, the underneath layers are still a wee bit blonde dark, but we bleached the hell out of them and they're still blonde. So that's just what we're gonna have. And I did not bleach my hair myself. I still do not trust myself to do that because I like having hair. So I trusted a professional. Let's take a look at this color now. Smells minty fresh, smells pretty good. I wasn't going to wear gloves, but this is dark enough that I think I will so that my hands don't turn purpley. It's honestly been so long since I've dyed my hair that this doesn't feel as routine as it used to. I will do the smallest sections I can because my hair is nice and thick. And I'm wearing dark tie-dye, so if it gets on this shirt, I'm not gonna be too upset, but I'm gonna do this anyway. Gloves. It looked really dark, but on my hair it looks a lot lighter, so this might still come out pretty light. We will see. You guys watch these like hair dye videos? Do you want to see me just like adding a bunch of hair dye? Or do you not really care? Because it's not like I'm showing you guys technique, but I don't know. Sometimes I like to watch it because it's fun. I don't know. Let me know. I only used one container of dye and I did it. How crazy! This is seriously ridiculous. Like, when do I have extra? Never. It's not much, it was barely anything, but still. Okay, and now we wait. It says to wait about 15 minutes. I'm probably just gonna start cleaning or something, and then whenever I'm done with that, I'll rinse it out. Okay, so what actually happened was I started hanging out with my dogs, and I don't actually know how long it's been. I thought I set a timer, but I didn't. But I'm sure it's been a long time. Okay, according to the timestamp of the photo I took on my phone, it has been about 35 minutes, so we're 100% good. Definitely rinsing it out now. Here's how it looks straight out of the shower. I don't know how well it's translating to camera, but it does have, at least on the top, like a grayish, bluey purple tint to it. On the end, it's a little harder to tell what we're looking at here. But let's wait for it to dry and see what we have. Okay guys, that's it. This is my hair day one, so I haven't washed it since I rinsed out the dye initially. The top of my head is very silver. It's a perfect pastel silver. It's a lot lighter than I was expecting it to come out based off the color of the actual dye, based off the color of the actual product in here. But it came out the shade as advertised, which is awesome. It's a pastel silver. It looks really, really nice. Very pastel. You can see it depends on the light a lot, whether it comes off as like more silver. You can tell some of the underneath pieces that I have trouble getting blonde are still more blonde than silver, so you can see that in there. I really, really love this look. I think it's a really nice color. Again, I'm really stoked that it came out as a pastel silver. I might even try a more medium silver to see how I like it later, but for now, I have more of this left, so I'll keep this up. Hopefully it doesn't wash out too quickly. And then to keep it going, I also got this, which is just a conditioner that's the same pastel silver color. And then I'll probably just lay this on real thick next time I wash my hair. I'm really happy with it. I think it looks really cute. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments if you've tried your own silver color, what products worked best for you. And then if you're interested in any sort of like really quick 5 to 10 minute life update video, because I've been off my channel for so long, let me know in the comments. I don't want to put one up if no one is really interested. So if you are, let me know. It feels so good to be back, and I cannot express how thankful I am for everyone's support in the meantime while I was taking a break. I really do appreciate it. You guys are freaking fantastic. Like, Cootie Crew, you are amazing. I'm really thankful for you guys. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you enjoyed it or it was useful for you, please give it a thumbs up. You can check out all the other videos I have on my channel, and if you would like to join the Cootie Crew, subscribe. And I'll catch you guys next time.